Hello grade 11, this lesson 1.9 inverse function, page 92. You will only do this once. Practice page 998, number 9, 11, 15, 17, 19, 21, 39 and 41. And your project is one word problem, and I will start with number 10. Find the inverse of the function f and verify that f negative 1x equals x means the composite function of the function and its inverse equals x, and the composite function of the inverse and the function itself equals x. We'll see. This is the given function, fx equals x minus 4. The answer starts from here. To get the inverse function, do the 3 steps as follows. Number 1, consider fx equals y, so y equals x minus 4. And then replace the y by x and x by y. So it will become x equals y minus 4. Step number 2. Step number 3, get y in terms of x. How can I get y in terms of x? Means take this to the other side, it will be x plus 4. So y equals x plus 4. This new y is the f minus 1x, means the inverse of fx. So this is called the inverse function of fx. So it will be x plus 4 instead of x minus 4. So this is the function and this is the inverse. Again, 3 steps. Number 1, fx will become y, and then replace the y by x and x by y, and then get y in terms of x. And recall this as f minus 1x. This is the function. The verification, verify that f negative 1x x equals x, means if this is really the inverse of this, so supposedly that if you get the composite function between this and this, the function and its inverse, you will get x in the end. Let's see. f negative 1x. Remember how can we do this? How can you get the composite function? Keep f, get f minus 1x. Where is f minus 1x? This one, x plus 4. And then you want to get fx plus 4. Okay, go to fx. It will be x minus 4. Open brackets, minus 4, and then drop this in the brackets. It will be x plus 4 minus 4. And then simplify. You will get x in the end. And this is always happen if you get the composite function between the function and its inverse, you will get x. The opposite. I want to get f minus 1 fx. So write f minus 1. Where is fx? Fx is this, x minus 4. Write x minus 4. And then go to f minus 1x, this one. Write brackets plus 4. Brackets plus 4. Instead of x, write brackets. And then drop this in the brackets. And then simplify, you will get also x. In such case, this function and its inverse gives you, when you get the composite function, you get x. We have 2 notes. The first note saying that 2 functions are inverse if f negative 1x and f negative 1 fx equals x. And we tested that in the previous example. Note 2 saying that 2 functions are inverse if their graphs are symmetric about the line equals yx. This is the line y equals x. And let's see this in number 18. In number 18, match the graph of the function with the graph of its inverse. This is the function. Where is its inverse? It will be this one, number D. Why? Because if you put the 2 functions in the same graph, you will find that they are symmetric around the y equal x. This is the line y equal x. So this function is inverse to this. This is according to note number 2. Number 20. Verify that f and g are inverse function. This is fx and this is gx. How can you verify that this is inverse to this? If you get fog or f minus 1 gx, how can you get it? Keep f, get g from here, and then go to the fx, write f instead of x brackets, this is brackets instead of the x, minus 9 over 4, and then drop this inside the brackets, and then simplify. The 9 cancel the 9, it will be 4x over 4, which is x in the end, and try to get also g o f in the same way, g and then the f from here, and then go to g, write it, and instead of x write brackets and drop this inside the brackets, simplify, you will get x. Since both of them, when you get the composite function, you get x, so f and g are inverse. If you don't get x when you get the composite function between the function and its inverse, so they are not inverse to each other. Note 3, horizontal line test. It says that the function has an inverse if any horizontal line intersects the graph of the function at only one point. Means you can know that this function has an inverse or not, because not all the function has inverse from function. If you look at the graph and draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line intersects the graph of the function at one point. For example, this one in number 40 does not have an inverse function. Why? Because when we draw the horizontal line, it intersects at 2 points, so this does not have an inverse. But this one has an inverse, because if you draw any horizontal line, it will intersect at 1 point. Thank you.